Hello students, I hope you guys are doing great. In this video, we will be having an overall view of the chapter and we are going to discuss that what we have learned so far. So let's just start. So in this chapter, we learned about living things and non-living things and we learned that how they are different from each other. After that, we learned that living things are divided into two main groups. These two groups are plants and animals. Alright. Plants जो हैं, they make their own food. ठीक है. But the animals, they don't make their own food. They depend on the plants or other animals to provide them with the food. Both plants and animals need sunlight and water and air. ठीक है. तो दोनों को क्या क्या चाहिए होता है? Sunlight. We both need water and they both need air. This is what is common between the plants and the animals. Alright. Animals is further divided into two categories. The first one is vertebrates and the invertebrates. Plants are also divided into two categories और वो कौन सी हैं categories? Flowering plants and non-flowering plants. अच्छा जी, further हमने पढ़ा था कि vertebrates किनको कहते हैं. The vertebrates are the animals that have backbone in them. ठीक है, जिनमें backbone होती है and invertebrates are the animals that do not have backbone. No backbone. ठीक है, हम एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. वर्टिब्रेट्स में आ जाते हैं बहुत सारे एनिमल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल सबसे अच्छी एग्जांपल वी हैव इज ह्यूमन, right? And for here we can say that a snake is an invertebrate, right? So this is how vertebrates and invertebrates are different from each other. Further अगर हम move करते हैं तो we studied about the human body. We learned about the different functions and different structures that are present in the human body. We studied that teeth, bones, lungs, heart, stomach, muscle and brain are the many vital organs of the human body. ठीक है, and we studied all of these कह लें parts को हमने separately हमने इनको discuss किया था उनके functions को. Alright. इसके अलावा we also learned about plants, that there are two types of plants, flowering plants and non-flowering plants. The plants that have flowers on it, that has fruits on it, they are known as flowering plants. The flowering plants, you can take an example of a rose, ठीक है, sunflower, right? So all of these are what? They are flowering plants. और non-flowering plants में अगर हम देखें तो आ जाती है fern, ठीक है, cactus. So these are the example of non-flowering plants. We learned that we learned about the different parts of plants, that it has roots, stem, leaves and seeds, and that is how the plant uses these parts in order to function. All right. We read about the different parts of plants और हमने उनको कैसे function करते हैं वो different parts. We discussed them in the videos. So what I want you guys to do is that I'm going to attach some of the questions at the end of the video, that you are going to do it yourself later, and you're going to practice the whole chapter that we have studied so far. See you guys in the new videos with the new chapter.